They are an honest band. They're speaking about something that comes from within them. When you see them doing a haka, you know, that's real. That's very real.
And the winner of the 2017 APRA Maioha Award is Alien Weaponry for Raupatu.
We have a few people we want to thank, the Smoke-Free Pacifica Beats and Smoke-Free Rock West, especially Pacifica Beats because they inspired us to start writing in Te Reo Māori. The other group of people we want to be thanking is Kua Tupu Māori movement here in New Zealand because that gives rangatahi here the opportunity to keep Māori alive here in New Zealand.
Are you guys ready for something heavy? This song is about an ancient Māori custom in New Zealand. It's called